guys, I literally found a parrot.
Wow.
Can you see? We literally found a parrot in our backyard. And we live in Florida.
No,
That's
he's outside.
inside.
We live in Florida and we found a parrot.
That's inside. Yeah, that's inside.
No, it's outside.
Wait,
There's no way.
that's probably outside.
That's outside. We found a parrot in Florida. This is so cool. A few minutes later, it's still here. Can you see it? It's a parrot. It's climbing up to the roof. I don't think it can fly. We have to rescue it. Rexy, what do you think? Should we rescue the parrot? She's not looking at me. Let's rescue it. There it is. It's walking. It went all the way over there to there. It's going on top of the roof. No, don't go on the top of the roof. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. What the heck is happening? This is awesome. Okay guys, you'll never guess what we found. We just had AJ and Charlie over for a vlog, and the parrot is inside the screen. This is awesome.
Do you have an extra?
It's inside the screen.
Are you gonna post it?
It's here, it's here, it's here. It's right there. This is awesome. It's right there.
Don't get too close. He'll bite us.
He'll bite you. He'll bite you. That's Violent Summit. He's eating the cracker, the steel one.
Let's keep it.
Yeah.
No, we're not keeping it.
We got a new pet. Roxy's better.
Wait,
Roxy's better than it.
Wait,
but
no.
I
His
like
name
it.
could be Cracker.
Cracker, yeah. His name is Cracker.
Liking it. Yeah, he likes it.
Cracker. Cracker. Hi. Hi, Cracker. Like, this is the parrot's. I mean, maybe it like escaped from the zoo or something.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Like, you couldn't find any food cover.
Like, it may have like escaped from the zoo. That would be sick.
Yeah, like bit out of the cage. Like bites out of the cage.
No, I think it flew away.
Yeah, okay. I think a zoo has so many. If he eats a whole cracker, we have to give him another one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's give him another cracker.
Let's give him another cracker.
Crackers. Let's name him Crackers.
I know.
Hi, Crackers.